Today is my birthday vlog in the Dominican Republic. Yo, it's a good feeling. We are about to eat breakfast. It's currently like 6:15 in the morning right now. And then we are heading to the beach. We're gonna go snorkeling and, you know, do a lot of stuff. So yeah. Buenos dias. Alright, vlog world. So our driver just dropped us off on this random bus, and the bus is gonna take us all the way to Saona. It's about an hour and 10 minutes away from where we are right now. Yeah. We are making a stop to pick up the rest of the people that's supposed to come on the trip on the bus with us. It's very beautiful scenes and everything.
Family?
No, boss. He's a, that's a, hey, butter back up.
Cuidado, ¿qué pasa? ¿Tiene miedo?
Adelante, fala. Oh, shit. Adelante, don't let your pants get wet up, brother. Oh shit. So we are in a boat, just stepped out of the water. Well, a lot of people behind us and stuff, and the boat is starting to move. So we just came out in the middle of the ocean and got on the next boat in the middle of the ocean. It was kind of cool, first time doing that. First time. People still coming over from the other boat. Yo, this is the best birthday present I ever gave myself, yo. 25 in the Dominican Republic. It's lit. People partying on the boat, all over. Drinking rum, all that stuff is inclusive. It's nice. I'm living my best life, for real, 100%. Vlog, I'm gonna end it right here because it's time for part 2. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna make this vlog a 2-part vlog because it's just incredibly long and it's just a lot of great content in this vlog. As always, like, share, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and let me know your thoughts on how I can improve the channel, how I can improve the vlogs and stuff like that. What would you like to see more? And you know, just your thoughts, because I really appreciate the feedback. Thank you.